Welcome to the four-wheel camper showroom. Behind me is the Hawk slide-in base model with front dinette. We're going to take a tour inside and out, starting with the passenger side exterior. The Hawk slide-in base model with the front dinette comes with this size window. Up top, if you were to choose one of our awnings, it would live right here. And on the roof, we have a variety of roof rack and solar options to choose from. Coming around the back of the camper, we have this standard window and our front porch light. On this side is storage for two 2.5 gallon propane tanks. This is only added because inside of the camper, the furnace option has been installed. You can add additional accessories on the outside of your camper. One of our newest additions is this exterior propane port, which allows you to hook up your stove or whatever you may need for the outside of your camper. To customize the look of your camper, you can choose from a variety of aluminum siding colors. On the driver's side, we have this window and the exhaust for our furnace and solar inside. If you want to customize more of the exterior of your camper, we do have additional accessories such as lighting and steps to reach the roof. That can all be found on the Build My Camper tool online. Let's pop the top and check out the interior. Welcome to the interior of the Hawk slide-in base model with the front dinette option. Now, these base models start with a very open floor plan. As you can see this bench here, on the base models it comes on each side standard. That is when you can choose to add in additional seating such as the rollover couch, the side dinette, or in this case, the front dinette. Additional seating is great because it gives you a good spot to hang out and eat during the day and transforms into a bed at night. Additional features don't end at seating. In this case, we have a furnace, solar power, and a stovetop. If you didn't add those additional features, this bench here would extend to the back of your camper and you would have more storage underneath. The standard cabinet finish is a lighter maple color. You can also choose our silver spur interior with a gray and black finish. By the way, this is a fresh camper, hot off the line. This is our new flush mount stove. It's from Dinette and it provides more cooking space than we've ever had before, which is great because I can bring my big pots along camping now. Anyways, as for the pop top portion of your camper, each side comes with two windows, a screen layer, a clear plastic layer, and then a privacy layer. If you did want added insulation in your camper, we do have thermal packs that help with temperature and light control. On the ceiling, we have 4 dimmable LED light strips. We also have a powered fan, and over the cab, you can opt to add an additional fan for more circulation. If you're wondering about storage in this camper, there's storage under this kind of bench seat, on the other side as well, and then the front dinette offers good storage too. Underneath each seat, there's a good amount of room, and then kind of bonus storage underneath your feet and then by the window. For mattress and seating covers, there are several fabric designs to choose from. The cab over area is where you'll find the slide out bed. This is a queen size, but you can also opt for a king size, which allows you to sleep in any direction. If you're interested in our campers and want to build out your own rig, use the Build My Camper tool on our website, and we'll see you down the trail.